figure I'd come back to the shelter here today because all the dogs missing. And, alrighty, we'll start down here. Hi Brooks, how are you? What did you do? Alright. So here's Brooks. Hi. How you doing? You want to play? You want to play? Yeah? Oh, yeah, go back. Go. Boy, yeah. You get to save the poop on this one. How you doing? Hi. It's you guys. Owner surrendered. Shoot. Well, these guys are owner surrendered. Hey guys, how are you doing? There we go. Hi. You guys in for bad behavior, huh? How you doing? Aw, I'm sorry. Oh, this one, the owner's is getting adopted. Hi, how are you doing? There's another owner surrender. Hi, Chopper. That's Chopper. There's Chopper's info. Hi, Chopper. How are you doing? Hi, baby. Hi. Aw. You want to take care of you anymore? Looks like it's got something going on with his eyes. Hi, Ruby. How you doing? Hi, Ruby. Oh, you okay, girl? Ruby's the one with anxiety. It was owner surrender. You heard that. Ruby's got anxiety. It's a owner surrender. This is Rufus. Rufus is probably outside or at the vet. He's the big guy that I filmed the other day. And this is Hazel, the black one. I think they're outside. I'm getting you. Hey, Wrigley. Royal. Yeah, everyone wants to run to adopt you. Hey, Katie. Hey, girl. Hey, sweetie. What you doing? Yeah. Let's see what we see out here. So, there's Hazel. Oh, and there's Rufus. Oh, Rufus. See if we get him to jump up. Rufus! Rufus! Hi! Hi! How you doing? Okay, guess not. Alright, let's go get some on the other side. Hey! Hey guy, how are you doing? And this is Duke. I like Duke. I wish I could take Duke. Duke's just a cool dog. Hey Duke, how are you doing? Yeah, hi. Say hi to everybody. Hi. The big old mean pit bull, yeah. Yeah. Look at you. Huh? Look at you. Okay. So anyway, that's big guy. We get a pause. Alright. And that's it. Well, you have a good day. Hope everybody finds their dogs that got loose. That's why I came back to the shelter because of the storm. So, alright, real quick again, and I'm out of here.